Okay, this is just a short demo of how I'm creating the spreadsheet that our clan's using to keep an inventory of everybody's tanks. I apologize for the flutter noise in the background. I haven't figured out how to eliminate that in the audio. But onto the demo, we click clan info. I've got all of the Reddit related clans already saved in here. You could add whatever clan you want, just search and look it up. But I'm going to click the members of Aurum, and that'll retrieve the current roster. So you'll do this once a day to pick up any new members. The next step would be to click update clan tanks, and it'll go out and cycle through every name and pick up all of the tanks of each of these players. It takes about a minute to 2 minutes. So I'm going to skip that step for brevity. It's already been done, so the information is back there to pull from. So the next thing I do is hit clan status. And this creates a view of all of that information customized in a layout that mimics what we're using on Google Docs. You've got the position column, shows what position in the clan they have. It doesn't know about things like CC and training, so those would have to be manually adjusted, but everything else, if it's a World of Tanks position, it'll be shown there. The player's name. The 30-day win 8 is unavailable. We could possibly go to Watt Labs and do the entire clan and get the 60-day win 8s, but I haven't found where I can get 30-day win 8s in one master listing for the clan. So we may choose to go to 60-day instead of 30-day just because that's what we've got available. The next column shows the number of 10s that player has, and then the preferred tier 10s is based on Reddit's suggested preferred tier 10s if they were ranked at 6 or higher. 6 through 10 shows up in this column. If it's 5 or less, then it shows up in the other tier 10s column. These are the less desirable for Clan Wars tier 10s. The next column shows all the tier 8s that could be used in team battles, and then the comments column, which is currently blank. I don't want that to overwrite when we upload to Google Docs, so I may eliminate that column. Or if we rely on this very often, we may include a table that keeps the comments for us locally, and then the entire sheet could just be uploaded and overwritten. At any rate, at this point, it's still in Microsoft Access, which is not usable by Google Docs. So we need to export it as a spreadsheet. So I'm going to click Saved Exports, choose Export Clan Status, where I've recorded the steps ahead of time, and hit Run. It generates an Excel sheet and opens up Microsoft Excel to show you that sheet. And so that's the format. That's what it'll actually look like on Google Docs. You could go in and manually adjust, you know, the width of the rows and all of that, but it automatically gives it enough space to show you their entire listing of things. And at that point, it's saved to my desktop is the default location, and then at that point you can just email it or upload it to Google Docs, and it's that easy to create. Now this is sorted by the number of 10s they have. We may want to sort it by the position in the clan or the number of desired 10s or whatnot, but we can consider that later. Actually, we'll probably sort it by the win 8 once we figure out how to get that in there. But at any rate, that spreadsheet can be built just that fast. And you know, if we wanted to do the same thing on Reddit main, you know, I'd just click the Reddit main members, and I would have to update their clan tanks because I haven't done that yet. But then go through those same steps, and we would have the exact same information, but with Reddit main's information. So there you go.